Well, Nick, here at Gemba Talks, we have a section where looking to foster integration and the exchange of best practices and experiences between our guests. One guest leaves the questions to the next. So Karen Ross left a question to you. Let's see what she has to say.
Hi, Nick. Karen Ross here. I have a question for you today. My question is, some people think that accountants aren't going to be good at doing lean, that they're maybe dry and boring and too methodical. But in my experience, I've actually found that the accountants that I've worked for and with have been fabulous at lean. Can you let me know why accountants do so well with lean? Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you and see you soon. Bye, Nick. Bye, everyone at Pipefy.
I do agree with you that many accountants are good at lean, and I think it's because of two reasons. Number one, they have a relationship with operations. They try to understand operations and how operations work, as opposed to sitting behind their desks and just looking at spreadsheets. Number two is accountants like numbers. And when accountants understand that lean is really about moving numbers and making numbers better, and that you can quantify lean using the right numbers, they get a good grasp of it. And those are the two factors which I think help accountants grasp lean quickly.